Welcome to Tech Tidbits. In this one, we will look at how to download a PDF to the Smartboard and then bring it into a whiteboard. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our browser and go to Google Drive. You'll find your content or your PDF. I'm going to do a long hold. When I do that and I lift my finger, one of the choices is download. I'm simply going to download it to the board. Now, once I've downloaded it to the board, I can open up any whiteboard I want, and I'm going to bring that PDF in. So once I open up the whiteboard, over here on the left-hand side, you're going to hit the plus symbol, meaning add a page or add some content. This content is an external file, so I'm going to click on external file. You're going to want to navigate to downloads if this is your first time. Once you download, you find your PDF, you simply click on it, it will bring it in. This particular one had more than one page. I can navigate to either page. It's a little small to see in the back of the classroom. Remember, you can always zoom out, pick up a pen, and now I can write on my PDF. And that's how to bring a PDF down and use it in the whiteboard. Want to learn more? Contact your EdTech coach.